Now, what we're going to do is we're in a little street here. We've already gone fast, 80 k's an hour, no sound. So what we're going to do is we're going to do like what you would call like a slow crawl. The Macca's run, the school pickup, all this kind of crap where the brakes may behave differently. So we're going to be slowing right down, about 20k, maybe even slower, at about 10k now. Having a listen, I'm on the brakes. I'm just touching the brakes because we're trying to find some squealing here. Off, on, turning the wheel as we do it. No issues. No issues. Seems pretty good.